Hey everyone, it's Angus here from Senior Waratah ASETs. I'm currently at Petersham Station hosting my very first meet and greet on behalf as well Ghost Line Express, known as Ryan. I'll link to his channel in the description. And for variety of today, we're just going to be filming some trains for you guys. And so sit back and enjoy this video.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Let's try the two.
Better go, bro. Wait, it's a blue BMT one. Yes! Oh, 251.
875.
Oh, the BMT.
We have a Tango arriving onto platform 1 for all station service to City Circle.
T24.
T24. Yeah, T24, the rear 4 cars. No, front 4 cars, sorry. All stations to Redfern, then Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Circle Quay, St James and Museum, and on towards the airport itself. Now departing. T42, rear 4 cars. XBT 2015.
T25.
Yeah. T125, which used to be T25.
Oh, it's got the slump flower on it.
What is that?
68.
I really don't understand more.
B6 now departing for a all station service to the city, then out to its way to the airport itself. Good job, Owen.
Oh shit, I forgot I wasn't recording.
Hey, don't swear. B6.
Yeah, Richie.
B set number unknown. B1. There we go.
Where's the set? Oh, that's V1.
Yeah. Doesn't have a proper target plate.
Two Waratahs just passing through. First one was A26, second one A58. Got a Waratah passing through platform 1.
A72.
A72. Oh, gee. Got a Waratah arriving on platform 2. All station service to Homebush. A78. A78 now departing for all station service to Homebush.
A78 now departing for Homebush service to next stop will be the West Line. Its neighboring stations are Petersham and
Okay, now we have the Trainspotting, but plane spotter as well. Got Qantas just arriving into Sydney. Airbus A330. Behind it. Oh, it's behind the bloody thing. Where is it? There it is. Good enough.
A36.
A36. A77 now arriving on platform 1 for all station service to the city. A77, as I mentioned, and had a driver just waved us, that's nice. Yeah, all station service. Next up will be Stanmore. So yeah, Stanmore, followed by Newtown, then all stations to Redfern and Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Circular Quay, St James Museum, all the way to the airport and then south. A77 now departing for all station service to the city.
A77 now departing in next stop Skirndo.
That's what I just said, Ryan. I'm joking. See you later. We've got Singapore Airlines Airbus A380. A71 passing for platform 2. Another grumpy driver. Alright. H21. Hey! H54 rear full cars.
Thanks for the light, Honk, but
I love you, Oscar.
The Waratah A1. The first Waratah into service.
But A3 was the first Waratah to enter service.
XP 2015.
Oh, cheers, driver.
Yes!
Cheers, driver.
Cheers, driver, mate.
Yes, 2006.
XP 2006.
XPTs.
Waratah. A29. Reset. V-set on. Oh! Tango 22. T-set 22.
Oh my god, it's the same
T-
one from earlier. That my
Wait.
mate's tag on. Wait, where's my mate's tag?
The other side.
No, it's
Oh, look at that way.
C22 with front four cars. All station service to Homebush.
That way once, it's 29 Where?
From Jane, we got a Waratah A-set passing through,
where's my mate's
or
tag?
arriving.
It's on this tango.
Passing through. A13.
Right, how many train more calls are we in?
Tag should be towards the back. My mate's tag is towards the back of this, on the other side though.
Called here.
Just there.
T126. A70.
A70.
Waratah A54. D151. Sorry. Hey! 6 car only.
Yeah, I totally need to get a new phone.
B3.
B3.
Hang on, did we see B3 the other time?
Yeah.
Sure.
If you want to get a hold of me, remember you might want to go down that way.
Yeah, I'll get to know.
B3 on platform number 1.
Got it in Denver.
Now approaching this. He's not
Passing through platform 2. B16. B18, sorry. That's what I get for forgetting the name. I mean, forgetting the set number.
Right, you better get them right.
B18 passing through.
Right, you gotta get your...
B28. Come on.
the rower of them. This was meant.
Sunflower B36, the same car that I caught on Wednesday.
Give me the charger while you're at me. Hold on.
That's... People were... I need to take it with
Got a V-set.
and it's been repainted at the front. Because I would have got it.
Woo!
That was a hot shot. Hello?
All station service arriving onto platform 2.
Oh, I'm outside with my friend.
B15.
Rowan,
Yo,
why? Why?
why?
Why do you hold your phone? You can charge with
I had no choice. Who's that making that sound?
What's that noise?
It's an alarm going off.
Are we just a fire drill?
Righto.
What is it?
Hey, car.
A car.
Richie in the middle. Richie in the middle.
What is that alarm?
Probably like a test.
Waratah's here.
But it's slowing down. No, it's probably the speed, I think.
TPM, that's a TPM.
What's going on? Why is it slowing down?
A6 to camera.
Yes.
Oh, that's the final train!
Hi?
That's the final train of Distrion, like AC!
Woo!
Yeah!
Front forecast T106, also known as G26.
A4!
A4? Yes! V-set. Yes. V25.
B25.
Yes!
Woo! Waratah.
Get a honk! Rise, come.
Woo!
Yes!
A76 is set. Thank you, driver. Got a Waratah B set passing through platform 1.
And between Bankstown and Petersham. Yeah, we'll hop on this one. Forecasting.
Yeah.
Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap up this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like, subscribe, turn notifications. I'll mention everybody in this channel in the description below. Ready to go? Bye-bye everyone. Alright. See you guys all. Bye-bye.